Let me tell you about the Martha Stewart Eastwalk 14-piece high-carbon stainless steel cutlery kitchen knife block set at $59.99, and this is seriously impressive value for the money. This elegant set in linen white is earning fantastic reviews with 4.6 out of 5 stars from 2,169 customers and has been a popular choice with over 1,000 purchases in the past month. What immediately stands out is the high-carbon stainless steel blades with full tank construction that ensures both balance and exceptional durability. The complete set includes an 8-inch chef's knife, 7-inch santoku, 8-inch bread knife, 5-inch utility knife, 3.5-inch paring knife, 6 4.5-inch steak knives, kitchen shears, sharpening steel, and a beautiful acacia wood block. The triple riveted ABS handles in that classic linen white color not only look stunning but provide excellent ergonomic support for extended use. Customers consistently praise the forged construction and how these knives deliver precise cuts with smooth food release. The Martha Stewart brand quality really shows through in the attention to detail and the balanced feel of each knife. Users love how the acacia wood block stores everything safely while adding an elegant touch to their kitchen counters. The price point of under $60 for a 14-piece forged set is genuinely impressive, making professional quality cutlery accessible for home cooks on any budget. However, there are some trade-offs to consider. These knives require hand washing only to maintain their appearance and performance. Some users mentioned that the linen white handles, while beautiful, can show stains and require more frequent cleaning than darker alternatives. A few customers also noted that while the acacia wood block looks great, it needs to be wiped with a soft, damp cloth for cleaning rather than being dishwasher safe. Overall though, this Martha Stewart set delivers exceptional value, combining style, functionality, and quality construction at a price point that's hard to beat in the premium knife market.